Hi, this is Sam from CSS Labs. I'm going to give you a demo on Yucca Watch using CSS Labs' Hybrid Fox. So the first thing you should notice in Hybrid Fox that we have is the tools, where we have to define the Yucca Watch endpoint, and you could actually see that this two instances are disabled at the moment. The monitoring is disabled. So now if you actually refresh, you could, in the Firebug console, you can see that the Hybrid Fox is actually contacting the Yucca Watch endpoint to get the status of the monitoring of these two instances. So to enable monitoring, you would ideally right click on an instance and choose monitor. It would ask you for a confirmation and click on OK. So you should now in a moment see that the state of the instance has moved from disabled to pending, and you would in a moment, if you refresh it, see that the pending state is gone to enabled, which means the monitoring has been enabled for that particular instance. You can notice that the instance now is enabled for monitoring. What we have to do is now see if the data is being captured for that instance. The basic data points that would be captured for this instance will be CPU utilization, disk read ops, disk write ops, disk write bytes, disk read bytes, network in and network out. To see the data coming in, I use a tool called Graphite, which is an open source tool, and it gets the data in a graphical format. So here in Graphite you can see that Yucca Watch has, so now you can see that the instance that I have enabled has been listed in the tree, and all these data points have been captured here in Graphite. So to view the latest data, I just have to set it to 5 minutes so that it gives me a better graph display. So this is to watch the CPU utilization. You just click on CPU utilization. You can see that the graph has been generated for CPU utilization. I will disable CPU utilization by clicking on it again. Disk read bytes, disk write bytes is one displayed here. Now I would enhance the graph a little bit by giving the line thickness as 2, so that it's more prominent. You can see that the graph has been refreshed, and there's more data coming in as and when. So I put it on auto refresh. Now if you can see all the others as well. Network out, network in, CPU utilization, disk read bytes, disk read ops, and you could also from Hybrid Fox disable monitoring by clicking on unmonitor. Thanks for watching the demo. You can visit us at CSS Labs website or our corporate website, csscorp.com.